Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Itchy Boots channel analytics. She has uploaded 284 videos. She now has 708k subscribers with a total view of 93,742,510 views. She's from US. And her channel type is travel. She created her channel since November 21, 2018. The grade she got is B+. And her Social Blade ranking is at 40,155th. The subscriber ranking is 36,287th, and then video view rank is 65,919th. She ranked 8,314th in US and 222nd in travel. Next, the daily subs for Itchy Boots is around 1.1k with a daily view of 231,341. Now let's talk about how much money is she making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 230,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $920. Then, monthly income will be $27,600. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $15,180 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $182,160. That is how much Itchy Boots earns from YouTube.